dear friends, welcome to Parametric Solution Private Limited Company. Our tagline is wisdom, happiness and satisfaction. Today I am going to train you about how to write a CNC program. I am Tirupati Naik, Director of Parametric Solution. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, a professional engineering course. Before we start, we have to understand the drawing here. The job project what I have taken is a CNC turn on CNC lathe turning machine. How to read this drawing here is this is a cylindrical job. The half section is shown here. This is x-axis diametrically and z-axis is a longitudinal. The diameter is 40 mm dia in mm and 2 mm of face turning. I am going to do this. So I am going to write you the program in front of you. Okay. Here the toolpath generating for G and M code for CNC turn. Today I am going to writing the program on absolute coordinate system. The first step is always we have to write the program name, that is O. Any 4 decimal you can select from 0001 to 999. So here I have taken for example 4001 and end of the block. The next block is N05. We can write 1, 2, 3, 4 or else we can write the N05. In between if you modify the program you can write that is N01, N02. Now G21 is a mm unit, G98 is the overall feed, G97 is overall speed and end of the block. The next step is N10 block number. G28 is a tool reference from the position here. From the turret will be coming from the origin, that is U0, W0. Either we can write it as X0 and Z0. So the overall the block is be read as N10, G28, G91, U0, W0. So that the position will be taken at 00 in incremental coordinate. The next step is N15. Now we are going to call the tool turret, that is M06 T0505. The T05 is the tool number in the turret and 05 is the offset page. Okay. So next step, the block number is N20 M03, that is a clockwise spindle rotation at a speed of S1200 and end of the block. Now the spindle has started rotating at tool reference 00. The next step is the block number is N25. Z54 is a workpiece 00. Here this is 00. I have set with the reference of workpiece. This workpiece is 00 G54. X0 and Z0 I had maintained here. With the absolute coordinate system I am writing the program. G00, that is a rapid traverse, X42 and Z3. So here 40 and 2 mm. So the tool, this S stands for X42 and Z3 mm. So here this 2 mm and 1 mm. So here the starting point is X42 and Z3 and end of the block. So now from the turret the tool has come over here now. The next step is block number N30 Z00, that is rapid traverse Z1 mm. So now the tool which comes over here Z1 mm, there the coolant starts. M08 is a coolant start, the flowing the water here, so that it will avoid the rusting and all, and it avoids the heating process. The next step is N35 G01, that is a linear interpolation. So from here the tool which moves towards the X minus, means down here, it will come up to here in 1 mm. So that 1 mm facing turning will be done with the help of G01 X minus 1 feed. I had given 80 mm per revolution. Then end of the block. The next step is the tool again it moves back to the G00 that is rapid traverse X42 Z3. So from here the tool will again move to here. Okay. Then next block is N45 G00 Z00. The tool actually it moves from here to 00 face. So Z00 here. From here the tool next it moves to the next G01 X minus 1 and feed is 80. So now on the facing here it moves over here. Okay. Then next block is N55 Z00 X42 Z3. So from here once this facing has been done, it tool which moves back to the S00. Next again the tool which moves to the home position, that is G28 G91 U0 W0. The program stop with M30, program end over here. So this is the example of the facing. The picture is shown over here. Next I will going to show you how to run this program, and we can see the live on the software. I will show you that. This is the editing software where we can see the simulation of G and M code program. Now I am going to open the new file over here. So I open the new file and then edit, type the program over here, and then to run this program I will click on the backplot. Now I will run this program from here. So that this is the G code, this is the face of this. Now this is a 1 mm cutting was happening here, and again the second cut is a 00 face. So then these two cutting, the face turning has been done. This is the live simulation of how to do the CNC program. Thank you so much for watching this video.